Hi, this is Tony, the creator of BrainTool, with a quick overview of the 1.0 product, including installing the release candidate version locally. So here I have the local install page. It's got a bunch of details, but basically you're going to download the extension code here via this link. I've downloaded it into this temp directory. It's here, RC extension. I'm going to open that up. So now I have a extension folder. Back in the browser, go to the extensions page. I'm using Brave for this demonstration. So Brave : extensions, or Chrome : extensions, or Edge. Make sure developer mode is turned on, and then you're going to click the load unpacked, which is to load a new extension. And I think, yeah, here we are already. I'm going to grab the extension there, and there we go. I got the welcome page, and up here under the little jigsaw icon is the BrainTool extension. I'm going to click pin to pin that on and start it up. You're going to get a welcome page. It's going to launch. Then there's going to be a set of welcome screens. You can walk through those. You can import bookmarks, a current browser session, but we're going to just get started here. The key concept behind BrainTool is that you assign everything you want to save to a named topic. The topics can be nested to any depth that makes sense to you, or can just be one big list. But basically then, when you are in the browser and come across something you want to save, you just open the BrainTool bookmarker and either navigate to the topic you want to save it as, or in this case, make it up. Or you can actually just start, for example, I could just start typing and see, but in this case I am going to call it BT stuff, and I can add some notes, change the title if I want. But when I save it, you can see now back over here in the topic manager, I now have a new topic called BT stuff with this BrainTool philosophy page saved under that topic. And in the browser, I have a tab group has been created corresponding to the BT stuff topic. And there's now a correspondence between the tab group and the topic. So if I drag other tabs into the topic, into the tab group, they'll be saved under the topic. Or if I move them out, they'll be moved. I can change the color of this guy, for example, expand or collapse, change the order of the pages. So those kinds of things. One thing to note about BrainTool is that it different than a tool like Tabs Outliner. It's only saving the stuff that you explicitly add into your topic manager. So if I'm in a saved tab here and I navigate away, the tab will navigate, but you can see it's moved out of the tab group, and I'm now on this GitHub page, which is not part of my saved set of topics. So I can navigate around safe in the knowledge that I'm not losing the fact that I've saved this page, and I can get back to it then whenever I need to. The topic manager in BrainTool is where you do most of your work. From here, you can open tabs, close the tabs, open groups of tabs in a new window or in the same window, and generally control your browser with ease. You can do most things with the mouse, but there's a set of keyboard commands also, which you can get documentation of down in the help section. For example, the numbers 1 through 9 will collapse the hierarchy to that level of indentation. You can see if I look at my personal BrainTool, which I have in a different browser, you can see that can be handy. Similarly, on when a particular topic is selected, the tab key can expand and collapse. BrainTool has the notion of a selected row. I'm going to go back here. You can see green is the row that is selected. that's the item that the keyboard commands will operate on. So for example, here, if I hit E, it will bring up the editor, and I can change the label or the URL or add some notes. Now let's take a look at organizing the tree and finding stuff. So say this BT stuff topic that I've created here, maybe I want to organize that into, put it, into my organizational system. Maybe it's a work project, so I can just select it and then drag, and you can see the indicator here, so I can see that I'm going to put it between the admin and the team info on that work stuff page. And there it is, and you can see the two, its two sub pages went along with it. I mentioned before that the green shows the selection, and the arrow keys can move the selection. If I hold down the Option key while I have the arrow key, I can actually move the topic with the keyboard also. So that's moving stuff around, and then searching the S key or slash, or just click up here into the search bar, and it will start searching from the point where the selection is. So I'm going to search for let's say topic, and it will search downwards and then iterate around and start searching from the top again. So you can see this topic here is the first hit, and you can see all the other hits are highlighted with the little green and the change of color of the cell. If I hit Option S, I'll go to the next one, the next one, the next one, and it will unfold the hierarchy to find items that are nested into the topic list. And so here's this page I was looking for, public topic trees. You can hit return. Now that page is selected, and then if I just hit return or enter again, because of the keyboard commands, that just opens that up right up for me. So you can see how that could be pretty quick and easy to find the page you're looking for, and then just open it up with keyboard commands. Finally, worth mentioning in this little demo are the settings up here at the top. You can see there's a set of things you can choose that will customize the look and feel, but of interest might be the compact view, and then turning off the notes. So you can see that allows me to fit a lot more. And if I use my keyboard commands to open up the tree to its maximum amount, you can see here that I can fit a lot more information into a pretty small space, and still have a totally usable topic manager. So give it a try and let us know what you think, either by email or on the BrainTool discussion group. Thanks.